Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to go through some of the empty products that I've used up this month and bring you along with me and just tell you a little bit about those products. I don't have very many empty products to share with you this month, but the ones that I do have, I wanted to take time to share the information about the products and why they're so important to me and why I've used them up. The first one falls maybe not so high on the importance level, but it was one of my very favorites, and it's a retired fragrance, and that is the Shea body butter in our grapefruit and bergamot scent. Like I said, it is retired. I love the 2-ounce because it makes it super easy to get every last drop out of the bottom with your finger, with a makeup spatula, whatever it is. I love getting the Shea body butter in our 2-ounce tubs. This product, while it is a retired fragrance, obviously I have replaced it with our new vanilla and pear fragrance for the fall and winter season this year because it has become my new favorite. The next one is a favorite in that I use it every time I shower, and that is our moisturizing formula shampoo. We have 2 different kinds of shampoos, a daily formula and a moisturizing formula, and the one that I choose to use is our moisturizing formula. Because of the extra moisturizing ingredients, it makes it safe for color treated hair, and I love the benefits that I have had while using Jordan Essentials hair products and the prolonging of my hair color. I really feel like I could go maybe a week to 10 days longer in between getting my hair colored. I pair this formula with our everyday conditioner, and it is spot on. I love the effects of the shampoo and conditioner duo. I love that Jordan Essentials takes the guesswork out of what kind of shampoo, what formula I should be looking for. We have 2 options of shampoo and 1 conditioner. Our hair products are great for lots of different hair types. And last but certainly not least, I could not let the month go by without telling you about the Green and Clean. This is a product that has taken me about 6 months to use up. I use this product on everything from floors to countertops to my wood tabletop and everything in between. The great thing about our Green and Clean is that it is a disinfecting formula, so it effectively kills bacteria and viruses. You can actually spray this product, let it dry, and it disinfects as it dries. So spray and walk away is literally the motto when it comes to the Jordan Essentials Green and Clean formula. There are 2 ingredients in this product: electrolyzed oxygenated water, and the other is hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid is made in our bodies naturally and actually helps with the healing process. So you can spray this not only as a cleaning agent, but it also helps to disinfect and help heal scratches and scrapes. It's honestly an all-encompassing product. Everyone should get their hands on Green and Clean, and mine has most definitely been replaced. Thank you so much for tuning in today and listening to me talk about some of my favorite products that I've used up this month. If you have any questions about these products or any of the products throughout the holiday or the current catalog in any of our collections with Jordan Essentials, please reach out. I am happy to help if I can. Keep in mind that Jordan Essentials is a botanically based, good for you skincare company. We have a variety of body products, hair products, skin products, and home products that are formulated and created right in our home office in Nixa, Missouri, with the well-being of you, our customers, in mind. If you like this video, make sure and give me a thumbs up on your way out. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss another one of my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.